Well, here we are at the poker run, starting out in Hilo. You're watching Riding Shotgun. Right on, registered up. Lots of stuff, Hilo, Hawaii. Mr. Brett Allen over here, his 73 Mustang. Cougar. And we got our poker run cards. So they're gonna stamp us at every place and we'll see what we get. Oh, you started nice. Very nice. And for all the Fast and the Furious right here, this is the badass one. That's the money car. So we got all signed up, got our wristband and our ticket, whatever that is. We're gonna go on a big cruise with all these guys. I'm gonna cruise around, show you some of these hot cars. Well, one of the exhaust bolts came off, so we're gonna have to fix this bugger. We'll see how it works. Riding shotgun. I don't really see shit. Well, we had a little issue with the exhaust, stopped at a gas station, got it all fixed up. But you're riding shotgun. Here we are coming up Texas Drive-In. That's it right there. Here we are, world famous Texas. Malasadas, man. Got a motorcycle club sitting up here. We're at our second stop for our cards. Cruising the 73 Mustang, Mach 1. Well, we made it to the town of Waimea, island of Hawaii. Second stop. Oh, wait, third stop on the poker run. Cruising, gonna have some lunch. Riding shotgun, stopped at L&L. Best barbecue on the islands. For the cheaps. I got a couple of guys here, a few of them. Let's see what kind of cars they got. Enjoying the cruise?
Oh yeah, first
Wonderful.
time for me.
First time for us too. Yeah. Popping our cherries.
68 Mercury Cougar. My name's Roy.
Yeah, we saw Roy's Cougar out there. It's pretty sweet. Everybody's is, you know.
We're all from Puna.
So the Puna boys are here, making the cruise. Hawaiian beaches. Aloha, everybody. Riding shotgun. Brett in his 73 Mustang. Don't see too many of them Suburbans anymore. I like this Nova too. She's got some meats under her. Here's Roy's Cougar. Don't see these 40s cars anymore. Especially with the chrome on the side. Poker run, third stop. Haven't got our cards yet. Nice little Lotus.
1,950 pounds, 190 horsepower, so it moves. Handles like a dream. So I raced this car and it's been very competitive this year.
Sure looks good, brother, I tell you. You don't see these around.
This is one of 33. They made it into the U.S. in 2009. There's 11 red ones in the U.S. So.
Gives you a driver's seat experience, huh? Thanks, Tim.
Take care.
Hey, have a good run today.
Thanks.
Yep, you're riding shotgun. 351 Cleveland. Hi, little dog. Hi, little dog. How are you?
Fine.
Wow, tell me about this ride.
Oh, it's a 38 Chevy truck, and we had bought it in Missouri and brought it back here.
Well, it's a beauty for sure.
Thank you.
What a great job on the interior. And the cutest little dog to go with it. Well, thank you so much, you know.
Welcome.
We're cruising this one right here.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Ooh, I like it.
And you're with Riding Shotgun. Here's another Mustang going by. Alright, standing in line, huh? Getting your poker cards? Sweet. Riding Shotgun. We're out here with all the motorcycle clubs are out putting in their 2 cents worth for the Big Island Substance Abuse Council, YMCA. Motorcycle clubs rolling in. Check out these bikes. Check out all these bikes. Here we go. We like to call these ones rat rods. Yeah, that's riding dirty, man. Riding dirty. We're riding shotgun. This is Les here from the Motorcycle Club. I found this little bike here. I thought it was just amazing when I saw it. It's perfect. It's like the rat bike of the rat bikes.
That's right, man.
Well, let's get a little footage of it and tell me a little bit how this one just come together. You were just
It was just kind of thrown together. A bunch of friends gave me a bunch of parts. Why we call it budget cuts. Real low budget. Got it running for a Labor Day run a couple years back. And runs great. Doesn't look the best, but it runs solid though.
You know what? It has an amazing patina, and I think you've done this thing just about the best you could. You were showing me the seat too. Let's see this thing.
Yeah, man. It's like it literally everything is just.
It's all put together with whatever you got, and I think that is exactly what a rat bike is. You know, you're gonna get a rat. He named it Budget Cuts. We all know where that's from. Thank you so much.
All right, bro. Shoot.
Aloha. On a poker run, it's good to be all in. Hey, I'm Riding Shotgun. Motorcycle Club here wants to tell you a little about what we got going on here. Hey guys, this is Rusty.
We're on a poker run, and we're having a bit of a blast today.
Right on, right on. How many bikes you got rolling with you today?
We got about 12.
Nice, that's good, good. Right on, that's pure aloha here. Thank you, brother.
All right.
You don't see those too often anymore. You're riding shotgun. There's that Bel Air I looked at earlier. Hood's open, real good, guys. Is this yours?
Yeah.
Oh, tell me a little bit about it. What's your name?
Jerry,
Right on, Jerry. Good to meet you.
good to meet you.
Did you build this?
Yeah.
Did you do the paint? Yeah.
Paint about 2 months ago.
Oh man, I love the peach. You wouldn't think peach on this, but man, it's good.
It's the original old color. And,
Oh, it's great. I love it.
Thanks.
Oh, nice job on your engine compartment too. It's clean. Oh, it's got all the goodies. You're riding shotgun. That's a 442 right there, my boys. You never see these anymore with the Hurst shifter. You're riding shotgun. Here's a flame job, old school. Riding shotgun, I can see the island of Maui. It's out in the distance out there. Such a beautiful day. We're pulling on into the Waikoloa Village part of Kona side, Big Island, Hawaii. You're riding shotgun. Pulling into Kona all day. Yep, this was the old airport back in how many days ago? I don't know. Looks like we're gonna park up next to the Lotus. Oh, thank you so much. Yeah, I got a crap hand. Check it out. Here's a nice little Cobra here. Looks like it's got some signatures on the dash. My favorite number. Year I was born, man. And here's an old Brit right here. Hi, mate. You don't see too many of them TR6s no more. So you guys are riding shotgun. We were Carmine and Nissan doing their poker run. Here on the Kona side, old airport. Walking down the line. We're talking Beamers, Lexus, Nissan, Sylvia, classic muscle, man. The WRX boys. Hard to beat guys here. You know. The new muscle, a little bit of new Hemi action going on. This is yours. I seen you cruising. What's your name?
Vic.
Vic, right on, Vic. Cruising with the boy today?
Son Nick.
Nice, right on, Nick. So, tell me a little bit about this thing. What year is it? What you got under it?
2014, we got the 274 size cam in it. And the Diablo programmer plus the aftermarket programming, Flowmaster exhaust, and some gauge. I put the gauge inside, I think.
Oh, I love the package. I love the package, brother. You've done a good job. You don't see these with hood pins, that's for darn sure.
You don't see even the gauge.
Oh yeah, nice gauge kit. And you said you had it programmed?
Yeah, the programmer is over here. This is the Diablo programmer there.
How fast is Nick when he drives it? No. No, you never drive him yet.
I let him drive some.
Oh yeah, well, next generation, right?
Reverse and forward. So now or never, no?
Right on, Vic. Yeah, I'd love to see the motor on this thing. I'm loving the Mopar madness. And there's the big reveal, my man. Very nice, clean.
It's 2000.
How you enjoying this run?
Good.
How's your poker hand? Oh, you got a good bluff, brother. Good bluff. Aloha. From old school to new stuff, back to the old school. Look at that bad 442 with the 4-speed. Some nice packages. Guys do some damn good custom work here on this island, I tell you. Car culture, man. Here's Dodge's flagship, stock off the rock right here. Hellcat. You're riding shotgun. G-Body classic right here, man. Monte Carlo SS. Yeah, this guy right here has got the baddest Jeep on the island.
Yes, sir.
Hey, brother, what's your name?
My name is Danny.
Hey, Danny. Good to meet you.
Thank you very much. Aloha.
Tell me a little bit about it. What year is it?
It's a 2016 Jeep Rubicon Hard Rock Edition. Lifted up with some 4 inches. I've got a bunch of lights on it. Rigid Industries. Got my winch with my worn bumper. It's actually a TerraFlex with some Falcon shocks. All updated.
Nice. And that's what you need on the big island. You can't just go stock as a rock. You can't even get down there.
It's all for fun. And it'll go. It's not just for show.
We love to spend our money on our cars, don't we?
Oh, yes we do.
Yeah. tried to steal one of these, but it was on GTA. Can't be discounting the trucks. Look at this old school madman. Flat fenders. Check out this since we're doing red. Ford Lightning truck. You look really good in there. I'm not picking up on her, I'm sorry. She looks good in there. Yeah. I'm gonna go interview her right now. Tell me about your car. No, I want to hear from you. No.
I don't know too much about it except it's a 1930.
1930, that's what she's got for me.
Yeah.
You're riding shotgun. Here we go, some Brit material right here. Triumph. And it's got the V8. Hey, I'm riding shotgun. I got Steve here. Steve's got a gorgeous vehicle. Why don't you tell us a little bit about it?
Well, it's a 1932 Ford Roadster, original body, that I found from a customer of mine. Had it in LA, or one of my friends had it in LA. Bought it in the 60s, was doing it up, and then decided he was going to sell all his car collection. So I managed to get hold of this, and we redid the body, did it properly. It's original Ford body. I built a new chassis for it. The engine's from England. It's a 4.5 litre Daimler engine. They built less than 2,000 cars with that engine in it, so it's a very rare engine. Aluminum heads. I made adapters to put American carbs on top. The twin Strombergs on the original manifold. It's got a 5-speed. I adapted a 5-speed engine to it. It was originally an automatic, and it's got a quick change rear end, so I can change the gear ratio. Original Ford 39 drums and brakes on the front. As much as I could is original parts.
Well, it's an amazing job, Steve. You've done a great job on this. And how many years have you been working on this?
I've had it for 20 years, and it's been on the road for 10.
Wonderful. Well, you've
I've
had
been on island a year.
10 good years then, huh?
Thank you.
How's your poker hand?
No good. Well, I got 2 aces, so I guess
You're supposed to bluff when you play poker. Come on.
I'm rubbish at gambling.
Wonderful, Steve. Thank you so much, brother.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, but you know, we can all appreciate that stuff.
You're riding shotgun. These are the faces of all the people who brought their sweet cars to show everybody off. Aloha, everybody. Aloha. Big drivers, show your pride, huh? These are the guys that brought all their cool cars, and ladies. I'm riding with shotgun with Brett Allen today. He's got a 73 Mach 1 Mustang that he picked up. Tell me about this thing, brother.
73, 351 Cleveland Ram Air, MSD, pretty decent cam. Redone interior, painted dash. Few new parts, few old parts.
Says few new parts, few old parts, redid some stuff interior wise. Other than that, it's pretty clean.
Trunk quarters.
Yeah, have you ever seen a 73 trunk that looks that clean? I don't think so. Tell me about this green color.
Factory color.
What is it?
It's called, what was it? Jade green.
Jade green, folks. You're riding shotgun. Here comes the imports. There we go. That's the one. That I've been to a few car shows in my life and cruises. This one's pretty awesome when you can go from T-Bird, Chevy truck, SS Camaro, 1984 Crown Vic. And I tell you what, this is the cleanest 1985-84 Crown Vic you're ever gonna see in your life. Classics hold firm.
And because of you, we're able to give a substantial donation to the two organizations. So I'd like to call up the representatives of YMCA, Wendy Botello Cortez and Mike Miyahira, as well as Dr. Hannah, I don't know your last name, I'm so sorry. Preston, Dr. Hannah Preston, who is with BISAC. And I'd like to present them with a check. This is from all of you. So can you all please give yourselves a round of applause for doing this today, coming out and supporting our Big Island Katie. And this is Kalen Koga. He's our Vice President of Hawaii Classic Cruisers. And I'd also like to mahalo Joe and the people of Kama'aina Nissan, because if it wasn't for them, we couldn't do this. So thank you so much. And Kona Auto Center for putting us up here at the end. Mahalo to all of you and all the workers. They donated their time. They volunteered today. So mahalo to all the workers. Thank you so much.
How you guys enjoying yourself today? Everybody having a good time? Okay, so I get one question for all you guys, and it's really one important question. Should we do it again next year? Yeah. And should we up the ante next year and have even better prizes? Yeah, okay, all right, because we get some good prizes we're going to give out today. I don't believe there's not one person in here that wouldn't want to go home with their $500 cold hard cash today. Huh? Somebody going home with them today. Somebody. All right. So we can go ahead and present Wendy Bartello with a check of $1,500. Right on. And the next one is Dr. Hannah. Oh, Dr. Hannah, you're a hard person to get a hold of. Every time I call your office, I can't get a hold of you everything. Working. Okay, and for BISAC, amount of $1,500. All right.
You're riding shotgun.